Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Shria and this is your tutorial channel. Today on my channel we will do chapter number 6, exercise 6.2, question number 7. So guys, now what we have to do? So question number 6. So guys, in this question you can see question on your screens. Using theorem 6.1 means Thales theorem that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side. So guys, first of all we have to draw a triangle. So guys, let's draw a triangle, then we start doing other things. So guys, there is a triangle and they said a line intersect this side. One side means first side, and then it intersect. Then they told us to find it. Not to find, we have to prove that this line is parallel to this. So guys, what we have to do is nothing but we have to take it that way and have to say this line intersect third side also. Okay, so now I think so this is not too confusing. Yeah, so we have first of all we have to name these lines. So as we know, we can give them names because the names are not mentioned in question. So guys, we can use any variable for this. Okay, any alphabet you can say. So let's start. Given guys, I think so I am writing too fast. No guys, it's just a time clip. So guys, what we have to prove to prove is we have to prove that L bisects AC. E is the midpoint of AC. See guys, E is the midpoint of AC. I think so you get it guys. Now what we have to do? We have to write proof, as we all know that. I think so. Proof is first of all what we have to write. D is the midpoint of what? AB. This is given. Let me write with red marker. Yeah? So now guys, I am rubbing this. So now guys, see, AD is equal to DB. AD is equal to DB, and I write this term is equal to 1. But why? This is made with according to Thales theorem. Because they in question, as you can see on your screen, they said us that the midpoint of one side of a triangle. Okay, so we can write this side is equal to 1. Okay guys, so now also they have given us L is parallel to BC, and the equation becomes, you can see on your screen. Okay, so AD DB is equal to AE EC. This is also a very simple equation, as see, AD DB and AE EC. So guys, from 1 and 2 equation, what we can say, AE upon EC from this is equal to 1. So as we have written there, we can also write AE is equal to EC. So now you can see AE. So we have proved that E is the midpoint of AC. And the second thing that we have to prove, what? Hence, we have given L name, okay? Hence, the line bisects it. Clear, guys? Hope you like this video and you enjoyed also, and I think so you are going to click like button. So guys, now if you like my video, you have to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and thank you. Bye.